Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here, besides Connor, FabFitFun haul. This is the spring one. We're just gonna dive right in. I was gonna say I know I had opened this already, so I wasn't struggling. So let's get filming. Alright, what do we have here? I have no clue what this is. I have no idea what this is. So let's see. Why can't I get into it? You know the drill though. We got to do this part first. We have to get rid of all the paper. That was all that came in here? It wasn't even a magazine that came with it. Normally there's a magazine. Weird. Alright, let's see what we have. You know what? I'm not even going to be gentle in opening this. We got to just rip right into it. It is a lunch pack. Okay. Which I will most likely never use, but wonderful. What am I to use that for? I would never use this. Like, for real, I definitely would never use this. And then you stick this here. Ooh, that's weird. Oh, I mean, I don't know. I would never use that, but whatever. Okay. Alright, let's see what else we have here. We have the Beauty Sleep. It's NCLA Beauty. It's Beauty Sleep. It is a overnight lip mask. And it's in don't bite. In birthday cake. And it's the pretty, let me do this. I'm such a bad person. I don't even get to show you what the little, you know what? This is what the packaging looks like for there. And then it is this pretty little lilac container. Let's see if I can smell anything. Oh, I can. And yes, it does. It smells like vanilla cake. Even though it's sealed, I can still kind of smell it. So I don't want to stick my finger in it. But it really smells yummy. Oh, yum. Can't wait to try that. Next we have here, it is the Tula Skincare Brightening Treatment Drops. It says Balanced Skincare. I don't know why I feel like I have this already, and I may have gotten it from like a boxy, but I could be wrong. I mean, I receive a lot of things from Tula through there, but maybe I haven't. I don't know. It says probiotics and superfood. So it's brightening, yeah, treatment drops. So it's basically, I guess, a vitamin C. Yep. Vitamin C. Vitamin C serum. Not opening that to smell it. I don't want no bacteria to start in there. Next we have here, it is by Honest Beauty. It is the Extreme Length Mascara and Lash Primer. Ooh, it's a 2-in-1. So, it's taped shut. So I'm going to have to rip it open to get into it. I don't feel like getting up. And it is both that side and then this side, and it's not waterproof, which really stinks, but maybe I'll keep it and check into this. It has jojoba, no, it says something, jojoba esters, it says something on the front. I don't know what the heck it says, but anyway, it's a mascara. It's a really heavy mascara, but it's a primer and a mascara. Next, we have Mika, and it is the Dream Routine Overnight Hydrating Treatment. I believe Amika is very pricey, but I hear some really good things. The packaging is pretty. It's very heavy. It's a heavy plastic, or is it glass? I can't even tell. I want to smell it, though. I want to smell it first. Oh my god, what's it smell like? It smells like Dial and Ivory, and Irish Spring had a baby. And that's what that smells like. It's not a bad smell. It just reminds me of my childhood, especially like the Irish Spring and Dial smells. But that's that there. I think I picked that because I hear so much going on, like so many good things about this brand, that I wanted to give it a try, and I just wasn't paying for it out of my own pocket. So another thing we have here, what are you? Oh, I did pick this one too. And it is like little lunch container. I'm a real big sucker for lunch containers. I have so many because I meal prep for work. And it's an elastic band. It's pink. Oops, I didn't expect that to happen. You take off the lid. It comes with the silverware, the chopsticks, and all that fun stuff. Now how you get in here? Hello? Hello? Oh my gosh. It's really tight in there. Another lid here. And then you have this here. This here. I have no clue what the heck. A salad. You can stick some lettuce and stuff in there. Some veggies. Something or other. I have no clue. But then you put this back on. And it's in pretty tight. So don't put nothing liquidy in there. Because if you do, it looks like it might splish splash every single place but where it should be staying, which is in the container. And then you just put these little things back on. If I can get it back on. I know I can. There you go. And just like that. It's a little heavy, but you know, that's nice. And the last thing, I know this video is so boring. And it is this. Oh, good. I didn't have to get up to get new scissors. And it is this little cooler. It's a backpack cooler. And I thought this was stinking cute. It's got some oranges on there, it looks like. And open it up. And it's a pretty nice little lunch bag. So it's cute. That's a little lunch bag. I think that's cute. That's adorable. If I didn't already take a backpack to work, I would definitely use this for work. For lunch. I mean, if I had to, I would carry it, you know, whatever, but, or on my arm, but I think that's cute. So, if I'm like, we're going somewhere just for like a little road trip somewhere, we can always stick like little snacks and drinks in here just for like a drive to get to some place, like maybe a 2-hour drive just to get somewhere and keep everything nice and cool. And that's really it. But, I mean, FabFitFun just really wasn't that great this week. For this season, for the spring season, the box. But hey, whatever. There's a couple things I do like in here. I know it's a pretty boring video. I'm sorry, but where are you going? But give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you may have gotten in your box. And see if we have the same things, and if you already have some of these things, if you actually like it. And until I see you, if you're new here, we can't skip that. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.